Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorway Lifestyle, and today I have a cushion cover haul for you. Cushions are so important when we need to transform our sofas or beds. You just change the color scheme, you change the design of the cushions, and it automatically just changes the whole look of the sofa or the bed wherever you're using it. If you add more cushions, if you match them, if you add different sizes of cushion, different colors, match them, coordinate them, adding more cushions automatically elevates the look of your bed or your sofa. You can mix and match, add different sizes of cushions, different designs. You can even pick a color from one cushion and then use it in the other cushion. You can incorporate lot of colors. You can make a theme out of it. So I have a few themes around the house that I use. One of them is my living room theme, which is black and beige, and one of them is used on my swing, which is like a white, grey and pink theme. And there is also another theme which has a green and multicolor kind of a theme for my balcony chairs. So I'll be showing you all the themes together as a whole, and also you can get them individually. The cushions, the cushion covers, you can also get them individually. I'll link everything down below. I'll mention the price right here. So without further ado, let's get started. The cushions that I have for you are from different places. I've got them from Westside, I've got them from Amazon. I also have got them from offline stores like Skipper, Stellar. So let me start with the multicolor theme that I have for one of my balcony. So the first cushion that I have is from Westside, and it is this beautiful flower pattern cushion cover. It's a standard size cushion cover, and at the back they've given this plain pink cloth material. It has got a chain, and this is how it looks from the inside. There's so many beautiful colors. If you have a multicolor theme going on in any of your rooms, so you can always pick cushion covers from Westside. They're pretty affordable and they've got a wide range of multicolor cushions in Westside. This particular one retails for 799 rupees, and this is in the size 40 centimeter into 40 centimeter. So it's the standard size of cushion. The second one that I have is also the same size, but it has a different pattern. So I picked one of the colors from this. So I chose green, and then I got a monotone color, a solid green color cushion. This is how it looks. It is a velvet material cloth. This is how the back looks like. Even this has a chain. It looks. This is beautiful green color, and they have given this lace sort of a thing which elevates the look of the whole thing. So beautiful, and these two match so perfectly. This is also 40 into 40 centimeter, and this retails for 499 rupees. This is available at Westside stores, and I guess they have a few other colors in the same pattern. So you can choose whichever suits you best. And look, they match so perfectly together. Another one that I have is in a different shape. It's a rectangular shape. These were square, and I have in a rectangular shape. It's also a multicolor cushion, and this is how it looks like. such a beautiful pattern, and look how detailed this is. They have even stitched these small leaves and flowers on it. So intricate. And this is how the back looks like. Again, they've given a chain, and the size is 30 into 45 centimeter, and this retails for $6.99. This is also from Westside. Let me give you a closer look. I think this is what you call felt material that they've stitched on top. So pretty. This is like my favorite. So that is it for the green theme. Now let's move on to the beige, grey and pink theme that I have for one of my swings. And a little update, I have a swing transformation video coming up very soon on my channel, and this is the kind of swing that we all usually have. Like, this sold out so much and this is so in trend. I'll show you how to transform it. So the first cushion that I have for the second theme, that's the beige, pink and grey theme. Let me show you the first cushion. This is how it looks. It has this abstract pattern, and this is kind of a durry rug material. So this is coarse, but the pattern is so beautiful. It has this dull dusty pink. It has a white stripe, grey and dark beige. This is how the back looks like. It has a chain. I just love the pattern on this. This retails for $4.99, and it's the standard cushion size, which is 40 into 40 centimeter. To match this into another cushion, I used a pink, the grey and beige, and I got this one. This is also a patterned cushion. It's a rectangular size pattern, and it has got these cute tassels, beige, light beige color tassels, and light beige pattern and grey pattern. This is how it looks. This is how the back goes. Again, it has a chain. This retails for $6.99, and it is 30 into 45 centimeter, the measurements. Now we can see that both of them have very vivid patterns. So to balance it out, I got another cushion in grey color. So instead of using the dark grey that is in here, both of these cushions, I used a light grey and a different material for the cushion, and a solid color. So this is a grey cushion, standard 40 into 40 size cushion. It's a velvet material, and you can look at the pattern. You can place it horizontally or vertically. And this is how the back looks like. It has a chain. I probably got this from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below and mention the price right here. So now if you can see, somehow these are matching, but there is just too much color and pattern going on. So to balance it out, I got this plain beige color cushion. This is a slightly bigger size. It has the same tassels that is in this one. So you just have to pick an element from one cushion and try to match it with the other that you are getting. So like, I picked a few colors from this cushion and added to this. Then I picked one color from both of this and got this. And now I picked the tassel pattern and this beige color and got this cushion. So again you can place it like this or like this, so you get two patterns in one cushion. This is how it looks. It's a slightly bigger size cushion. Even this I got it from Amazon, so I'll try to link it down below and I'll try to mention the price right here. So this is how it looks. Again, it has a chain at the back. So I hope it's visible. So that is it for this theme. Now I have a few random cushions that I wanted to show you before we move on to the next theme. Speaking of random things that I got this, you cannot call it a rug, it's a very small piece of fur. Again, I got this for my swing. This is how the back looks like. You can put it on the floor, you can just use it like a runner, sort of a runner. It's not a runner, it's not that long, it's the size of a pillow cover actually, but you can just place it somewhere at the corner of your bed or on your swing or on the floor, wherever you want. This is very soft. It's just an accent piece that I got from Amazon. The second thing that I have is a cushion cover. Again, I got it from Westside. I love the pattern on this. This is how it looks. The base is beige and this is embroidered with a white thread, all the pattern that is embroidered on this. This is how the back looks like. This retails for 699 rupees, and again this is the standard 40 into 40 centimeter. The next one that I have are random cushion covers that I can put anywhere just randomly. So this is a beige color cushion cover. It has a chain top. This was a set of 5 that I got from Amazon. Let me show you. So again, a set of 5. So moving on to the next theme, which is the biggest theme, that is black and beige, and this is for my living room. So I have a 3-unit sofa. So 2 of them are single seaters and the biggest one is a 3-seater. So I have 1 each for the single seaters and 3 cushions for the main sofa, the 3-seater one. And I tried to pick a pattern from one and add it to the other. So let me start with the biggest one that I have for the 3-seater unit. This is how it looks. Such a beautiful pattern this has, and the back is the same. I got this custom made from Stellar Furnishings, and they've provided a chain here. This is a slightly bigger size than the standard one. So the base is beige and there's this black velvet pattern on it. And I got 2 smaller ones, the standard size, that's 40 into 40 centimeters. So I picked this pattern and added into one of the cushions. So this is how it looks. All of these are custom made from Stellar Furnishings. So there's a black base and I used the pattern from this one and added a strip into this one, so it's like a cohesive look. If you place it vertically or horizontally, it just changes the whole look. Again, they have given a chain at the back. And the other one is this one right here. It has the same black base as the other one. And again the same stripe, but the stripe pattern is different. This is how it looks. So it's slightly beige base and black on top of it. So I'll try to hold this three together. This is how it looks. And the ones for the single seater are the same. So I've got two of this. So I can put one on the 3-seat unit and one on the single seater. And again, the same pattern. Two cushions, one for the single seater and one for the 3-seater. So again, you can mix and match, choose whatever you want for whichever sofa you want. And I have these, let me show you, this high back chairs. I have two of these, and these just looked very plain, so I thought of adding an accent cushion. And the size of cushion that I chose is a bit different. I got it custom made, and so as this is black, so I chose a beige cushion cover. So let me show you which one I chose. This is how it looks. It has shades of beige, the lightest and a bit dark and the darkest. It has got a chain. So this just sits here like this and adds a bit of accent to the whole thing. I have two of these, so I got two cushions made. This is such a beautiful pattern on this. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you, if it helped you in any way, please like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.